Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's winter weather update. So, we're going to be seeing several opportunities for snow across the United States over the next week. So, starting off this evening, looking at the GFS model, we're seeing an Alberta clipper across Ontario bring snow to areas of eastern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin. Going through the overnight, we're going to be seeing the snow move across the Upper Peninsula of Michigan and then across southern Ontario, Quebec tomorrow through the day. And then tomorrow evening, we're going to be seeing this round of snow move across the northeast in areas of Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. And this is going to be immediately followed by our second snow potential. We're going to be first seeing snow in the Rockies Wednesday afternoon through the overnight, and then our new low pressure developing system is going to start to bring snow to northern Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, southwest Wisconsin by Thursday morning. And as we go into around 7 a.m. Central Standard Time, we could be seeing very heavy snow across eastern Wisconsin, southeastern Minnesota, central northwestern Wisconsin, and going into the afternoon. Notice these tight isobars, this tight pressure gradient. We could be seeing a blizzard across areas like Chicago, much of Wisconsin, the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, Thursday afternoon. And then Thursday evening, this storm is going to move across the Great Lakes into southeastern Canada and bring some snow to New England, possibly some freezing rain by Thursday evening, Friday morning. Storm's going to move out, going to be immediately replaced by this new storm across the Tennessee Valley, bringing snow as early as Friday morning across northwest Arkansas, much of Missouri, and western Illinois. And going through the day Friday, we're going to be seeing another heavy batch of snow across Illinois into northwest Indiana, western Michigan, potentially impacting Chicago Friday afternoon into Friday night. Snow moves across Indiana. By Saturday morning, we could be seeing light to moderate snow as far south as Alabama, Georgia, and Tennessee and Kentucky. And going into Saturday afternoon, we could be seeing heavy snow across southern Pennsylvania, much of West Virginia, eastern Kentucky, and Tennessee into Saturday night, Sunday early morning. Heavy round of snow likely to move through West Virginia, Western Virginia, Southern Pennsylvania, and Maryland. Going into Sunday afternoon, the snow could potentially move across Delaware, Eastern Virginia, Jersey, and through New York City before this storm exits by Monday. So, looking at snowfall accumulations through uh, Monday, February the 13th on the GFS model, could be seeing as much as 2 to 8 inches of snow across eastern Wisconsin or eastern Iowa, much of Wisconsin, northeastern Minnesota, upper peninsula Michigan, northern lower peninsula Michigan, with the second system about 2 to 4 inches across Missouri, about 4 to 8 inches across Illinois and Indiana, and then with the second system across West Virginia, Maryland, northern Virginia, southern Pennsylvania, Delaware, New Jersey. Widespread snow accumulations between 2 and 6 inches with a corridor of 8 to 10 inches setting up by Monday. And then across New Hampshire and Maine, anywhere between 2 and 8 inches as well. So looking at the European model for snowfall accumulations through Monday, the European model is showing 2 to 5 inches from northern Missouri through southeastern Iowa, northwest Illinois, and about 4 to 6 inches across Wisconsin. And this model is not picking up much on the snow across the Appalachia area and areas of Pennsylvania and Maryland, only adjusting to about 2 inches in the European model. So this is not quite set in stone yet. We're still going to have to pay attention to the second storm, about 2 to 6 inches across the rest of the Northeast, And we could be seeing a bullseye in the European model of about 4 to 8 inches across northern Michigan, the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. And then finally, looking at the North American model, this is only going to go through Friday, February the 10th. So this is only going to be covering the first storm. The North American model is a lot more bullish in the snow accumulations, with widespread 4 inches to 10 inches across northwest Missouri, central eastern Iowa, and much of Wisconsin in the North American model, as well as the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. So I'm going to continue to monitor these snowstorms as the days progress. So make sure you pay attention to the weather, especially if you live across the upper Midwest and the mid-Atlantic and Northeast. Thanks for watching this evening's winter weather update, and have a wonderful evening, my friends.